Hey guys, it's me Pondakal, and if you are someone who is trying to start to do affiliate marketing, or if you are thinking to do affiliate marketing, then this video can be extremely helpful for you. What you are seeing in my screen is a product being promoted that is called Glucofort, and it is promoted by targeting the keyword Glucofort itself. It is called brand bidding, and the platform that it is being promoted is bing.com, and the ad is run from Microsoft Ads, where you can create an account and get up to $100 in free ad credit if you spend $25 in search advertising in Microsoft Ads. So you can simply search by typing Microsoft Ads $100 ad coupon, and you can visit to this kind of interface, sign up interface of Microsoft Ad, and you can sign up to Microsoft Ad and get $100 ad credit by spending $25. And you can also run the ad. It's pretty similar to this one. Okay, there are other products also that you can promote, which I will show you. Now before showing you that, I want to show you something, that is this course, where I have shown each and everything in a step-by-step process, and already 518 people have took this course, and you can also see what type of lecture I have taught in this course also, and you can also see the reviews that are provided by the people who have took this course. Okay, and everything I'm talking in this video is shown in that course. So what people are doing here is, so this is a CPA network that is called Max Bounty. You can simply type maxbounty.com and you'll be able to visit to this site. And if you already don't have an account on Max Bounty, then you can simply click on are you an affiliate and follow whatever question they ask you, and you can create an account with them. And once you create an account, then you can simply log into this Max Bounty, and you can simply click on search, and you will see this kind of thing. Now you can simply deselect all of these, okay, except this brand bid. Simply deselect all these and click on apply source option. You can also filter it by country. So let's filter it by country, as if we are only going to promote in United States. Let's click on apply source option. Now you can see there are lots of product that is appearing. Now what you can do is you can simply click on this EPC and filter it with higher earning per click. So you can see this kind of, okay, I would suggest you to not promote this kind of mail enhancement product in Bing ad, because that may encourage your account to be banned. Okay, so it is better to not take a risk and promote this kind of product. But if you want, then you can test it. So there are other product like Brain. Okay, so we are talking about Glucofort here, right? So you can see the Glucofort at here. So with this product you can get up to $95 per sale. Okay, and what you can do is you can simply open a notepad and simply copy this. Okay, copy this text and paste in notepad, and study these ads and create your own version of ad that is more clickable. Okay, whenever people search on Bing Glucofort and your ads appear, people should click on your ad. Make that kind of ad so that your ads keep on coming at the top, and people will come and search for Glucofort. They will click on it. Okay, click on your affiliate link, and they will visit to the site of this Glucofort, and they make purchase, and you can keep on making commission at Max Bounty. Okay, so it is as simple as this to do affiliate marketing with Microsoft Ads by promoting products that allows brand bidding. You can also promote this product by targeting general keyword, but you will get more sales if you are beginner, and if you are just starting, then you can you can get a higher chance of getting sales by promoting product in this way. Okay, and once again, if you want to implement all of these things that I have shown you, then you can simply visit to this. I'll put a link in the description for this course. You can simply visit there and watch everything, and if you think it is a good fit for you, then you can take this course. And it will not cost you like this $89. Okay, I'll reduce the price of this course to extremely low, like $10-12 maybe. I'll put that link in the description and you can check it. So this much I wanted to show you in this video. If you have any question, then please do ask me in the comment section. Do like this video and do subscribe to my channel. I want to take a leave. Take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.